Hello lovely viewers and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey through the world of wooden console tables. With their versatility, charm and timeless appeal, these pieces of furniture have become an essential element in home decor. Get ready to be inspired as we explore the top wooden console table ideas to elevate your space. Wooden console tables come in a plethora of designs, from sleek and modern to rustic and vintage inspired. They not only add functionality to a room, but also serve as stunning focal points that tie together the overall aesthetic. Let's dive into our list and discover the endless possibilities. First up, let's embrace the rustic charm of wooden console tables. Crafted from reclaimed wood or featuring distressed finishes, these tables exude warmth and character. Picture a weathered oak console table paired with wrought iron accents for that quintessential farmhouse feel. Add a woven basket filled with cozy blankets and you've got a rustic retreat right in your living room. On the opposite end of the spectrum, we have sleek and modern wooden console tables that bring an air of elegance to any space. Think clean lines, minimalist designs, and glossy finishes. A walnut console table with tapered legs and a chrome hardware can effortlessly elevate the sophistication of a contemporary living room. Pair it with a geometric sculpture of a statement vase for a touch of modern flair. Now, let's explore the rugged appeal of industrial-style wooden console tables. These pieces often feature raw materials like distressed metal and reclaimed wood, creating a fusion of rustic charm and open edge. Picture a reclaimed wood console table with metal pipe legs, exuding industrial chic vibes. Add vintage Edison bar plants and wire baskets for an authentic industrial look that both stylish and function. For those dreaming of a coastal getaway, wooden console tables can help bring that beachy vibe into your home. Or for light-colored woods like whitewashed oak or driftwood finishes to evoke the serenity of the seaside. Pair your console table with woven seagrass baskets, coral accents, and sandy-hued textiles for a relaxed coastal retreat right in your living room. Embrace your free-spirited side with Bohemian-inspired wooden console tables. These eclectic pieces often feature intricate carvings, vibrant patterns, and eclectic accents. A mango wood console table with carved details and brass inlays can serve as a boho chic focal point in your entryway. Surround it with plants, macron wall hangings, and eclectic artwork for a laid-back Bohemian vibe. For lovers of clean lines and understated elegance, Scandinavian-style wooden console tables are the perfect choice. These tables often feature minimalist designs, lightweight finishes, and functional elements. Picture a sleek teak console table with table legs and hidden storage compartments, embodying the essence of Scandinavian simplicity. Pair it with neutral tones, cozy textures, and organic accents for a serene and inviting atmosphere. Indulge in a touch of Hollywood glamour with wooden console tables that exudes opulence and sophistication. Choose tables with mirrored surfaces, gold accents, and luxurious finishes to add a dose of drama to your space. A mirrored console table with ornate details and crystal drawer pulls can instantly elevate the glam factor in your foyer. Pair it with a sparkling chandelier and velvet upholstery for a truly glamorous aesthetic. Transport yourself back in time with vintage-inspired wooden console tables that ooze nostalgia and charm. Look for tables with turned legs, distressed finishes, and antique hardware for an authentic vintage look. A mahogany console table with curved rails and brass door pulls can evoke the elegance of bygone years. Pair it with vintage-inspired artwork, heirloom accessories, and floral arrangements for a touch of old-world glamour. Embrace the art of mixing and matching with eclectic wooden console tables that defy convention and celebrate individuality. These tables come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and styles, allowing you to create a truly unique and personalized space. Combine different wood finishes, textures, and design elements to curate a look that reflects your eclectic taste and creative spirit. Last but certainly not least, we have timeless wooden console tables that never go out of style. These classic pieces feature simple yet elegant designs that stand the test of time. A cheery wooden console table with queen anne legs and a rich mahogany finish can add a touch of traditional elegance to any room. Pair it with timeless artwork, plush upholstery, and yellow accents for a space that exudes timeless sophistication. And there you have it, folks, the top wooden console table ideas to inspire your next home decor project. Whether you prefer rustic charm, modern elegance, or anything in between, there is a wooden console table to suit every style and space. We hope you have enjoyed this journey through the wonderful world of wooden console tables. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring home decor content. Until next time, happy decorating!